recording.
No shit.
That looks so stupid. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can see my scars and everything. Oh, this is mercy.
Go, you start first.
We're doing a burping battle. Yeah, good.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Never mind. In there. I have the more.
Okay, do mine.
Oh shit.
This girl.
Oh shit. I had to burp, but then I laughed.
We're waiting to see who burps. Oh.
They come out.
What the hell? Why you burp? I know. What the fuck?
I won't be laughing. Like
What if I just What if I just like throw up?
You vomit?
Ugh. My burps aren't even coming out. Fuck off. Who's that?
Stop burping.
Oh. You watching the video?
No. We're recording it, dude. How can you watch the video? Pass me yours. Does it help you burp if you jump? Or does that make your stomach hurt?
You throw up, girl.
Never mind.
Why do we look whiter? I'm not even burping. Okay, go.
Go. Don't laugh. Because it's going to come out retarded.
Alright. Coming. Good.
Damn, it didn't come out. No.
Oh! What the fuck?
Oh shit. Wait.
Damn, girl.
Wait.
Nah, you're smashing me. Oh.
Hold on. Oh shit. Wouldn't that be weird if like... Never mind. Or like... What if somebody like talked like that while burping? Like they couldn't talk normally and they just burp their whole life.
What the fuck? That was stupid. Oh my god.
You only had one. One good one.
You should have put that shit on the refrigerator. So it could have like cold and gassy.
I noticed that when we laugh, it comes out harder.
What the fuck?
Not like that. Like, make me laugh.
How are you?
Huh?
What if you burp and you fart?
Somebody did that. I forgot when.
Oh, fuck yeah! Number 1. This video is done. So how do you feel losing? Nah, that was.
Oh, whatever.